Peace to the gods and the nation of the land and of all creation. Now, I want to bring this video to you guys to talk more about the martial law. Because under the state in the current situation that the country that we live in today is under, we have to get ready for martial law. You have to be prepared for your rights being stripped at you for the betterment of the government. Now, in this video right here, I'm just going to give you guys a few steps, a few breakdowns of what, to expect and what to look for if something like this was ever to happen. Now, you have to be aware that it's only one person, better yet, two people, who can impose martial law on a certain person or on us. One being the president of the United States of America, being President Trump as we know him right now. Until he's out of office, he has the right to, up until the end of next year, to be able to put us under martial law, to where it will veto everything that anybody else says except for him. Anything that he says is law. And if you've been paying any attention to the news lately, you will see that this dude overrules law. He overrules anything that Congress brings to him. He overrules anything that anybody brings to it. He's been caught in so many lies and scandals. It's like the most scandalous regime that I've ever seen in the Oval Office. So, like I was saying, the president has the right to impose martial law on the people. Not only the president, but the governor of your state has the right to impose martial law on your border state. That means if your governor in your state feels like you are rebellion and that the public needs to be shut down, the governor has the right to be able to impose martial law on that state in particular. No other state, but that state in particular. These are the rules of the government. And no matter what you may say, oh, this may not happen to me, trust and believe. When it's a big ass tank riding down your street, you're going to realize that it happened. It's not time to be sitting up here playing around and not being aware of what's going around in your surroundings and in your country. And I have to say this enough for black people because I am a black man. Listen, train your kids. Train yourself and train your kids so you will be able to defend yourself and your family. Because there will come a time where you will have to defend your family. And this really goes for everybody. But as I said, I'm a black man. So I want black people to be aware of this shit. Protect your family. Don't commit crimes. Make sure that your record is clean as a whistle so you'll be able to bear arms for your family. Ain't no time to be sitting up here getting felonies for some dumb shit because you want to be cool in the streets. Because we have to acknowledge that some kids want to go to prison so they could be able to say that they bad and that they tough. And that's not the way that we supposed to be leading our children. We have to lead our children in a totally different light. If we want to make it, if we want to survive, you get what I'm saying to you? So stay tuned. I'm going to hit y'all with some slides like I always do. And we're going to get this and get with the movement.